Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, guys? Today I just want to show you guys some more of the fire alarm system here at my college. So, um, so just enjoy the video. Okay, so right now I am inside of the A building here at college. Um, for, I want to first begin by starting here on the first floor. Um, so right here, the college has a notifier BG12 post station, and it's addressable. And here's its own annunciator. You can see it right there. And up here, we have a speaker strobe. So this is located in front of the door, and there's a exit sign up there. Right over here, we got two heat detectors, and I am keeping my voice down because there are students here, so don't mind of my quietness. There's another speaker strobe up here. I'm not going into the bathrooms. Right, so up here, I got another heat detector, fire sprinkler up here. There's a exit sign up here. Oh, and here's another notifier BG12 post station and a strobe. Gonna keep my camera down. Okay, I'll clear. They got another heat detector over here. And another strobe right there. Right there and there. And we got a heat detector up there and a speaker strobe there. Another heat detector up there, and two heat detector and speaker strobe. Another student's coming. Up there. There's a exit sign there, a sprinkler head there, and another heat detector there. We got another another fire BG12 post station right there. Sorry. Let me see over here quick. We got a speaker strobe there. We have another speaker strobe there. I keep saying speaker because that is what it looks like. Another heat detector there, a fire head, well, a sprinkler head, another sprinkler head, another heat detector, another head, another speaker strobe, and right here, here's a fire alarm horn strobe. You guys can read that. There's a exit sign there, and we got another notifier BG12 pole station and another speaker strobe. I'm gonna see if I could try to do the upstairs one. I don't know if I can because there are students here, and I do not want to expose them. So, I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so there's a student here, but I'm gonna try to be quiet. So right here, we got a notifier BG12 pole station right here. Another speaker strobe there. There's another one over there. And a heat detector. There's one up there. Fire sprinkler head there, and another one up there. Another fire BG12 pole station right here. Another strobe up here. So we got a exit sign up there, along with a heat detector up there. Let's see over here quick. We got a heat detector there, a speaker strobe there, and a fire sprinkler there. Alright. Oh, another notifier BG12 post station. Another sprinkler head. There's another one up there. There's another speaker strobe. Another heat detector. Sprinkler head. There's 1, 2, and another heat detector there. There's another exit sign. Okay, so there is two sprinklers right there, and another one behind the corner. Here's a exit sign. 1, 2, 3 sprinkler heads there. Another heat detector. Another exit sign, and a notifier BG12 post station. Now I'm gonna go downstairs. Oh, another strobe there. And another notifier BG12 post station. And another strobe. And this is it. Alright. Okay guys, so this is the end of today's video, and if you did enjoy it, then like it, comment, subscribe, anything to support my channel. And thank you so much guys for the support, and I will see you the next one. Bye.